This chocolate sushi will definitely gonna make you say oishi. It's definitely a unique sushi treat in dessert form. Make this delicious treat starting with a modeling chocolate. You would want to melt the chocolate chips with corn syrup in a double boiler. Then, transfer it into a prepared bowl with cling wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. Now make the sticky rice by adding in a cup of rice in a pot and pouring in the apple juice. Bring it to a boil, then continue boiling for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and set it aside. Go back to your modeling chocolate, and once it's chilled, place it onto a parchment paper and remove the cling wrap. Knead it until pliable, then roll out. Now cut the rolled out modeling chocolate into 6 by 4 inch wide strips, then set aside the other half. Place the sticky rice on one side of the chocolate, spreading it out and leaving a space for the seam. Arrange the fruits on top of the rice, starting with a sliced mango, strawberry, then kiwi. Roll it up tightly, making sure that both sides are stuck together. Place it in the refrigerator to set, and once ready, slice it into 1-inch thick pieces. Your chocolate sushi is done and ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.